I don't know how I go on Rasta, but John was star Buju Banton will stand up for certain things for culture in the 90s. I don't know if him stand up for it now still, no, but fear say one of them person them out him son. You see, that is not a good look. You see me, John was star. I'm sorry for that reach, you still you see. But you don't know me, you saying son are one of them type person that we not to support them people, you see it, and we are say them people. If we go one side or anything want reach them, will see me. And we will upload a video today where Buju baby mother or somebody were on Buju and say, yo, them a blame Buju because the youth dead and them thing there. You see the reason why the man never take the youth to Jamaica and think for them I say the youth are fish, you see it, and you don't know the Gargamel that time sing certain song back in the days. Him not go on that the youth around him. You see it, if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe. You see it. Pretty than they talk, I say, yo, she not too believe say Buju son of that, you see me? But you don't know if I hear them news and you hear me, I'm a call upon them thing, there's something I go on, something. Yo, I don't know what I go on here, man. Big pretty than tell you know what I go on here, man.
Buju son! LiQWYD, everybody, right now. You know, damn look, you know, do not set a bumble hole. You know, set a pussy hole, you know. Alright. We love you. Jesus Christ. Don't take your pill, no man. Buju! Perhaps you never remember, but me hear say one batty man lick down your pitney and kill him. One fish. Why? Batty man, them a get out of hand and nothing do with them. Say if you do with them, man. Anything you rasta say if you do with them, the batty man them gonna start to do with them. See, batty man them a take life, you know. We have to open out with yipe and the batty man them no. You see me? When we open your eye them for the batty man a take life. Batty man a Buju, me here say is a batty man lick down your pitney. Is this true? Jesus Christ, Buju. Is that true? I mean, hear some other people say your son did a double in that department there and Ray and Tay and is it true? Huh? A true? Me bumbo claw, me general. So you did have one? Me not say you pitney a body pitney. Me not call you pitney no body pitney because I can't. Bumbo claw, me not call you pitney no body pitney. Cause me don't know nothing about your pitney. Me don't know nothing at all about your pitney, bro. Me don't know nothing about your pitney. Me not go say your son is. Me not go say your son did a double in that department because we don't know. But them say him is a them the road say the road outer road say your son a batty man. Mighty God. Gargamel? No Gargamel, me not believe. Gargamel, if everybody believe, me not believe, brother. Me no believe say you have no batty man pitney. Me never yet. Would you could have you sing that the song there? Me not your pitney would have never do that. Boom bye in a batty boy head. Batty man and Saddamite Africa go down. Batty man and Saddamite Africa ground. You sing that? Ground them fi go. You say it a ground. Me not think your son a batty man. I don't think so. But I want batty man kill him. So boom bye I might as a because I say you say boom bye in a batty boy head and then find your son now and then do him things in the and I say you did say boom bye cause me feel sorry because see your son a batty man in a brother. Me not believe the road. Me cannot believe the road. Me not believe none of the sources them. I mean until it's a real good sources and no matter how the sources them I say yes the boy a batty man me can't take it. Me can't put it on my book say yes. But just on a batty man. No! I cannot see that. No. Might as him and the batty man catch up in a one argument and the batty man lick him. No, sir. It can't be say him gay. That is not him lover. The gay man is not him lover. Couldn't. It can't be him lover. No, man, it can't be him lover, man. It cannot be him rascal lover. No. He might have catch up in an argument with the Batman. Probably not even know say a Batman. He probably don't even know say a Batman, alright? He probably don't even know say a Batman. And the man could have know say a Buju son that. And Buju did say boom bye bye one night time. Eh? Maybe I born him did a burn out the Batman and him father sang and Ray. Me can't accept it. Say Buju have no Batman pitney. No, sir. The streets attack fuckery. The streets have your life. Yo, me say no matter how the streets I tell me say look a boy a fish. I can't. I highly doubt it. They said Dan, me I tell him for the root I grass me general. The boy gay. Me say no, he can't gay. He man say yes, Dan. He man say, oh, Batman would have kill the CR. Bumbo clad Mike Myrie. Me pussy clad. Me bumbo clad. Me would have think say, yo, Buju have a Batman son. Because me don't believe it neither. I feel lie, bro. It have to be a big stinking lie, father. That have to be a big dirty mongrel lie. Me don't believe that's a pussy clad. Buju, not Buju. Buju son. Buju. Oh now go say yeah. So Bunty of Batman pit me and Ray. Ninja man of Batman pit. Not Buju dog. Not Buju brother. Buju boom by himself. That half the bumbo clock line. Me tell them say me nah hold it. Me nah hold that. R.I.P. look up man. Me nah hold that bro. Me nah hold it. Right now. One Batman just do away with somebody. Who don't need to catch him Batman. And make him know himself. Me no believe the boy is no fish. Him no look Batmanish to me. Well, me no know how Batman look. But my Buju's son, him no look Batman. That is your madman. Not Buju, no. When have to go tell that to somebody else. Boy, Buju, me not go want to your son and no fucking fish. R.I.P. to your child father. You understand me I deal with? And the rest of the family, my condolences. You see, pray. Such a tragic incident, and you know, sorry say that it have to take place and thing, you see me? Such a young little youth and thing, you see, pray. Yeah, man. Bumbo clad. And a good way. Not a good way. If you know, say, yo, your son and a batty man, and he's a batty. Bumbo clad. Buju, you have to go sing back his song. Buju? Me no matter where they did beat you America and tell you say, me no matter which paper you wear sign, you have to start sing back your batty boy song now. You have to start to sing it back. You America will have to understand why your blood class sing it back. If you sing back, right now you need to make part 2, 3, 4, and 5 too. You need to sing back your song. Boom, bye, bye, in a batty boy head. Yeah, man. No. You see, Pre? John Marcus. Sorry. Your kids and all of them just lose a brother a while ago.